Imagine an AI model capable of staying active for an 8-hour session. It maps out complex problems, runs its own tests, and iterates through its own errors until the code actually works. This bar chart shows the results on SweBench Pro, an industry standard test for real-world software repair. GLM 5.1 achieves a score of 58.4, pushing past both Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4. Letting a model operate autonomously like this requires hundreds of consecutive prompts and thousands of tool calls. On a standard per-token billing plan, that single session burns through your API budget quickly. To bypass that expense, we configure a direct pipeline. We take a free developer API endpoint and route it straight into your local code editor. By combining a locally hosted workspace with this specific remote access, your personal computer operates as a high-end autonomous development studio, and you never have to enter a credit card. Step 1 is preparing your environment. You need Visual Studio Code installed locally, paired with an agentic extension like Klein or Root Code. Before you generate any API keys or navigate to external websites, open your extension's primary configuration menu. Locate the API Provider drop-down menu and select OpenAI Compatible. If you skip this, the local tool will format your prompts incorrectly. The remote server will reject the incoming data, and the connection will fail immediately. Forcing the tool into this standardized communication protocol guarantees that your local editor can successfully send and receive data from third-party models. To complete setup, input 3 pieces of information: base URL, API key, and model ID. Paste the server address into the base URL slot. It must terminate with /v1. Next, navigate to your provider's dashboard to generate your personal token. Assign the token a clear name, generate the key, and immediately paste that string into the API key field. Finally, you must pass the exact identifier for the model you intend to use. Here, it is xi.org/GLM 5.1/FP8. If you attempt to type this out and include a single extra space or a misspelled character, the system will generate an invisible syntax error, and the agent will freeze. To prevent this, copy the string directly from the documentation below this video and paste it into the field. By locking in these 3 specific values, you establish a secure, continuous link between your local codebase and the remote server. Now we test the link. Open the extension's chat panel, type a greeting, and press Enter. Watch the user interface. When the status indicator displays thinking, you have successfully reached the server. With the connection verified, run a full stress test. Instruct the agent to build a complete student registration form using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The model assumes control. Maps out the architecture across multiple files, drafts raw syntax, and wires styling and logic together without human input. In a few seconds, it generates hundreds of lines of correctly formatted code. Open the newly created file in your browser. You will see a fully operational web application, rendering the exact logic and styling you requested. Keep in mind that free developer API endpoints are promotional. They are subject to set and rate limits or expiration dates, so establish this configuration quickly. With this setup active, your role shifts. You transition from manually writing syntax to directing an expert system that executes your architecture, all at 0 cost.